Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair. And today we are going to be doing an easy tomato dip for you. That dip can be used with a lot of appetizers, what we do, a lot of snacks, what we do. So it's quick and really easy.
I think that when you're following that, you need something very tasty. And that's going to be this one, dip.
Let's see the recipe.
Let's go.
Hi guys, now we are doing a tomato sambal. So we are doing it for the bean burgers. So we take tomatoes, we're going to chop it and put it inside. To the sambal, now I'm going to add 1 red chili, some coriander, little salt, and some 2 tablespoons olive oil to it. There we go. And now we're going to blend the same. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon lime juice to it. And our sambal is ready. Now we're quickly gonna serve the same. So your tomato dip is ready. Enhance the flavors of all your food. Just add it to your appetizers, your snacks like we said, and just enjoy it.
Alright guys, you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, and please do share the channel with your friends and family because we've got a lot of content to keep yourself really fit. There we go. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you so much.